Curious as to how billionaires manage their time to stay productive? It's not magic or rocket science. It's all about productivity and efficient time management. These successful individuals have mastered the art of making every second count. Today, we're going to delve into 10 brilliant tips that have helped billionaires reach the top of their game. From rising early to harnessing the power of technology, these strategies are simple yet astonishingly effective. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of billionaire productivity? The first productivity hack billionaires swear by is waking up early. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a morning person. Well, neither was Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, until he discovered the magic of the early hours. Starting his day at a staggering 3:45 in the morning, Cook found that the quiet of the early dawn allowed for increased focus and strategic thinking, without the usual distractions that come with the hustle and bustle of the day. Imagine having a head start on the world, your thoughts clear and sharp as the first rays of the sun. Waking up early means you're ahead of the game. It's like getting a sneak peek at the day, a chance to plan and strategize before the rest of the world has even hit the snooze button. So, set that alarm clock a little earlier tomorrow. Embrace the tranquility of the morning. Remember, the world belongs to those who get up early. Next on the list is task prioritization. This, my friends, is the secret sauce to effective time management. Imagine your to-do list as a bustling city. Not every building is a skyscraper, right? Similarly, not every task on your list needs to be tackled right away. Enter the Eisenhower box, a genius tool named after the 34th President of the United States, Dwight D. Eisenhower. This box helps you sort your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. The idea is to focus on tasks that are important, not just the ones screaming for your attention. It's like dealing with a crying baby and a ticking time bomb. You'd want to soothe the baby, but hey, that time bomb isn't going to diffuse itself, is it? Remember, it's all about making smart choices. Not all tasks are created equal. Prioritize wisely. Billionaires understand the power of delegation. Now, you might be thinking, I can do it all? But let me tell you a secret. Even superheroes need a sidekick. Take Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, for instance. He's a firm believer in the power of delegation, and look where it's gotten him. You see, delegation is not about shirking responsibilities. It's quite the opposite. It's about understanding your strengths, your limitations, and recognizing that you cannot and should not do everything alone. Delegation is about empowering others, allowing them to grow, to learn, and to contribute. It's about creating a stronger, more effective team. Imagine, instead of being bogged down by routine tasks, you could focus on strategic thinking, on innovation, on making those game-changing decisions. That's the magic of delegation. So take a leaf out of a billionaire's book. Delegate and regain control over your time. Billionaires aren't afraid to use technology to their advantage. In fact, they welcome it with open arms because they know it's a game changer. Just think about it. We live in an era where a device in our pockets can perform tasks that would have taken hours, days, or even weeks in the past. Take Bill Gates, for example. He's one of the world's most successful people, and he swears by technology as a productivity tool. From streamlining his meetings to managing his tasks, technology is his secret productivity weapon. He's not spending hours every day sifting through piles of paper or manually updating his to-do list. Instead, he's using technology to automate these tasks, freeing up his time to focus on what matters most. So, don't shy away from technology. Embrace it. Experiment with different tools and find what works best for you. Harness the power of technology for better productivity. Billionaires are lifelong learners. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a reality. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of their success. One cannot hope to increase productivity and achieve greatness without constantly updating their knowledge and skills. Take Elon Musk, for instance. Known for his extensive reading habits, he is the epitome of a lifelong learner. From rocket science to artificial intelligence, Musk dives deep into a broad range of subjects. His thirst for knowledge is insatiable, and it's this curiosity that fuels his productivity and innovation. But it's not just about reading books or attending seminars. Continuous learning could be as simple as listening to a podcast on your commute, learning a new language, or even just staying updated with the latest news and trends in your industry. Remember, the world is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, you need to evolve with it. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Health is non-negotiable for billionaires. It's not just about the wealth in your bank account, but also the wealth of your health. Good health and fitness play a key role in enhancing productivity, making you feel more alert, energized, and ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Let's take a leaf out of Mark Zuckerberg's book. The Facebook founder is known for his commitment to fitness, working out at least 3 times a week. It's not just about building muscles or looking good for the gram. It's about maintaining a healthy body that can keep up with the demands of a busy, high-stakes lifestyle. Regular exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers, which help to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. So whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a vigorous gym session, or a calming yoga class, find a physical activity that you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Remember, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in. Billionaires know the power of saying no. It's a small word, but it holds immense power. The power to set boundaries, the power to protect your time, the power to focus on what truly matters. It's not about being negative or uncooperative. It's about recognizing the value of your time and energy. Think about it this way. Every yes is a piece of your time you're giving away. Can you really afford to give it to just anything or anyone? Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, put it best when he said, "The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything." It's a bold statement, isn't it? But it's a testament to the importance of focus, of prioritizing your commitments, and of understanding that you can't do everything. So practice saying no. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but with time, it will become second nature. Remember, every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Even billionaires take time off to relax. It's a truth that may seem counterintuitive when we think of the relentless drive often associated with high levels of success. But the reality is, relaxation and leisure time play a critical role in maintaining and even enhancing productivity. Take Jeff Bezos, for instance. He's known for ensuring he gets a solid 8 hours of sleep every night. This is not just about rest. It's about giving the mind time to recharge, to process the day's events, to incubate ideas. It's about recognizing that our brains, just like our bodies, need downtime to perform at their peak. So whether it's a regular good night's sleep, a weekend getaway, or just a few minutes of quiet reflection, it's essential to carve out time for relaxation. After all, productivity isn't about being a workhorse, but about working smart. Let's quickly recap the billionaires' productivity secrets we've covered. We kick things off by unveiling that the secret to a billionaire's success isn't locked away in a vault. It's all about mastering productivity, and it starts with rising early. The early bird doesn't just get the worm, it gets a head start to the day. Next, we emphasize the importance of prioritizing tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more critical to your success than others. Recognize them and tackle them head-on. Then, we moved on to delegation. As the saying goes, no man is an island. Even billionaires can't do everything on their own. They delegate tasks, freeing up their time to focus on what truly matters. We also touched upon the power of technology. In the digital age, leveraging technology not only optimizes productivity, but also makes life a whole lot easier. Our journey also took us through the realm of continuous learning. Knowledge is power, and successful people never stop learning. They constantly upgrade their skills and stay ahead of the curve. Health was our next stop. Remember, a healthy body houses a healthy mind. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are non-negotiables. We also emphasized the power of saying no. It's not about being rude, it's about setting boundaries and protecting your time. Last but not least, we discussed the importance of relaxation. All work and no play can lead to burnout. Even billionaires know when to take a breather. With these productivity hacks, you're well on your way to becoming the next billionaire. Remember, time is the most precious commodity. Use it wisely. And as always, remain motivated.